Hello friends, are you facing this issue? Windows cannot access the specified device, path or file, may not have appropriate permission to access them. This problem usually happens due to permission issues, antivirus blocking or corrupted circuits. And here is a step-by-step guide to fix it. Just follow the step properly, okay? First, go to file which is not open, okay, which have the problem, and right click and go to properties and go to security tab, and here you have to select your user account, and this must be full, okay, full control. Modify, this all should be check mark. Go to edit and check mark from this, okay. Now this is the first step, and now second step is if the file is downloaded from internet, then what you have to do is right click and go to properties of the file, and you can unblock, check unblock and apply, and okay, and try to open the file, right? Now next is disable antivirus temporarily, right? Sometimes antivirus also blocks your file, so just you have to go to the Windows security and go to virus and threat protection and manage here, and you can turn off, okay, this real-time protection, temper protection, and you can just try to open the file, okay. And after you have to turn on this all the protection, right? Now check the shortcut target, okay. If your shortcut target is not okay, if the file has been removed or folder path has been changed, then this problem may occur. Go to properties and you can find out here target, okay. Just check which target and where is your file is located, okay. If you are trying from shortcut, then try this and ensure the file exists, okay. Which folder you have created file, and check the file moved or renamed, okay. If file moved or renamed, then problem may occur. And next is you can run an administrator file is a problem, right click and run as administrator. Then after you can check group policy also. Press Windows R and type gpt.msc, click OK, and you can find out here user configuration. Under user configuration, go to administrator templates and Windows components. Under Windows components, you have to go to attachment manager, and here do not preserve zone information in the file attachment. This should be not configured, okay. If this is enabled, then you have to set to the not configured, okay. These are the some steps to fix this issue, guys. If this solution helped you, then let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.